I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'.
Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to let my Instagram followers to pick my makeup. This is the makeup look that I achieved today. Everything I put on my face, they picked it for me. Not the lashes though, they picked the labial lashes, but it was so hard. I don't know why it was so hard for me to apply them, and I said, you know what, that's a no, because I don't have time for that. So I went with the SheGlam lashes, and oh my god, I love them so much. They are so easy to apply, and this style is so gorgeous. I don't know what style this is. It says natural, so they don't have name, numbers, whatever, but oh my god, they are so long and so wispy, and yet they still look natural. Anyway, if you guys want to see what makeup my Instagram followers picked for me and how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching.
For my mama, when I finally make it, take on my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thinking Jesus, fakers trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, ballin'. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Hope could be lit. Running my money up, watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, ballin'. I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, ballin'. For my mama, when I finally make it, take on my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thinking Jesus, fakers trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go. Better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the Indy and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the Indy and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', ballin'. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it hit. They ain't see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the Indy and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the Indy and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go. Better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the Indy and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the Indy and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it hit. They ain't see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the Indy and I'm sure I'm important.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. For some reason, the yellow and the black, they don't work each other. Like, I don't know, the yellow kind of looks green to me and I don't like that. But overall, the makeup look turned out so beautiful. I just don't like the bottom lash line. Like, why it looks green? Like, I don't get it. Black and yellow, they don't make green, right? Anyway, yeah, I love the lashes. Like, oh my god, they are so beautiful. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it, if you don't like it. I feel like it's so dramatic, but you know,
that's how my brain works today.
so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.